Hả? Ồ mà cái này ôi dạ mà ngay xì phê mà ngay xì phê
Vou ficar com o fio.
hả
O fio é
yeah yeah để mà ngay phụ em mặc cái cascade kia
I've been loving it.
yeah oh yeah my favorite ai à
Get in the untie.
ai à oh it's like hello oh yeah fish and chips yum 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 so fish 4 fish 4 pieces and chips we should get 1 chicken 1 fish huh yeah. So what if when they put in it, then I'll come around. Okay?
Well, we
Oh, mà ngay pa. Phía anh ấy sẽ phải kukangan dede mo. Nè,
Cho vào khu đất chi nào? Chị đến mua đấy, khu đất.
cái này ya. Berani, kau ada iya dia. Mas.
Iya.
Oh. Ayah dia. Sau. Oh, ipisi wahoo ah.
Iya.
Folding wahoo. Oh. Ayah lah dia.
Dia sau umar.
Oh.
Masih dia.
Ah, kêu ya. Dia ngay mà ở Samoa.
Dekat itu có nhân lặng.
Dia punya waka. Dia biasa dia. Baik dua. Ai mà quên một cái hotel thì mang một xe mẹ cục cái như mẹ ai. Ya, cái ya. Đó. There's the fish shop, guys. Samoa is rich with plenty of fish, plenty to eat. Just a matter of you going out there and, doing your life the way you should be doing instead of, thinking there's not enough food. God provides so much. Huh? Ui, mana ni dia? Oleh, dah kau dah dia. Tengah ada puak ya wak. So what are we gonna get, Flossie?
I don't know.
I don't know. Well, we have a few ourselves fish and chips.
Huh?
Well, I want fish and chips. Hey guys, I was at the fish shop right here in the Markeki in the pier. Right, it's over there. Yeah, and then we got us some fish and chips. Freshly cooked there, guys, and it comes with a little mayonnaise. And we got the drink from those people that, you know, sell on the side. My sister got hers. Oh, it's beautiful. Freshly cooked. So, my sister and I are having a mukbang. How do you change the process? Yeah, don't want any copyright, so we have to turn off the music. But we'll go down with the music. Fresh tuna fish. How delicious. Here in Samoa. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Yummy. We just got here this morning. Okay. And now we're having breakfast. Samoa style, mate. Wow. Delicious. So hot. This is so good. Gracious. Right, let's yeah. That's beautiful. Beautiful. The flight wasn't so packed today, well, last night. It's alright, you know, because I don't like it when it's so full, because I always think if it's too heavy, the plane might drop. So it's already heavy, that flight, because I was in it. So good. It's very nice. So beautiful. In Samoa, you see around Samoa, oh, plenty fish. Why would anyone go hungry? Oh, hang on, wait, hang on. Gotta have a boat, I think. There's so much fish. Did you guys see what I showed you? Oh, fishy for you. I thought she wanted to park. Oh, this yours. Sorry. I said I thought she wanted the car park. Anyway, cheers guys. It's safe, you know, because you can't drink, you know, stuff that comes from certain places because their health concern is not up here. So we don't want to have drinks that come from those places that, you know, that they don't care about people's health, or, you know. Anyway, that lady just did my my mukbang. Stand still, stupid camera. Chips. This is alright, eh? This is very nice. Yum, yum, yum. Man, you can't get it any fresher than this, man. Look. It's so delicious. See, tuna? And you dip it in this mayo sauce. And then follow it, and here it goes. And then join with this. Okay, see you guys later. We'll finish our lunch and then. Okay, see you guys later. We'll finish our lunch. And then we're gonna go to the hospital. Okay, bye. Bye, Lucy. Bye.